Check. Yun! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind kung saan we talk about trading, we talk about stock market, we talk about other trading platforms, not just the stock market. But basically, pag-uusapan natin paano gumawa ng pera. We talk about how to make money online diba? So yeah, welcome to The Daily Grind. If you're a newbie, this is the best program that you're watching. Dito nyo po matatanong ang mga pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon. If meron kayong hindi naintindihan, are your emotions playing with you right now, post it in the comments. Okay, mahiya. There is no right or wrong right here. Only learning. Alright? Please share this video. Pakishare po itong video na ito to your Facebook friends. Alright? Especially right now kasi alam kong marami kayong mga kaibigan is into Axie Infinity. I want to talk about SLP for now. Let's talk about that. Smooth Love Potion. Kasi maganda yung we've been following SLP for how many days now. Nung nasa tuktok siya, I did stop you guys. Huwag kayong pumasok dyan, huwag kayong pumasok dyan. Antayin natin bumaba. And now I think it's reached a point na kung saan I think it's good to buy if ever you're planning to buy to get into SLP or get into Axie. I guess the price is right. We'll talk more about that in a bit. Ayan. Update muna tayo sa stock market. Let me share my screen. Thank you so much na nagbibigay ng stars. Arnel Jacinto for the stars. Thanks man. Sorry. I'm gonna go to PSEI first. Update muna tayo sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Another red day for us. Right? We were expecting this after 1, 2, 3, 4 days of straight up rally. Ngayon, medyo pulahan na naman tayo ngayon. But we are still on a net foreign buying day. 105 million. That's not bad at all. So, anytime soon, I guess this is gonna create a higher low right here. And that completes the uptrend. That completes the reversal of the market. Actually, higher low na to right? But basically, if ever, that means na tuloy-tuloy na yung pag-akyat ng market. We don't have that much volume just yet. So, it's not really that strong of an uptrend. Pero nonetheless, an uptrend is an uptrend. We'll take that, diba? We'll take it. If ever the market gives us this maliit lang na gains, then why not? A gain is still a gain, diba? Let me just adjust this really quick. Medyo disturbing Maanda rin pagka-OC natin kahit hindi naman talaga OC. Alright, so yan. Let's go muna to the comments really quick. We have a few comments right here. Let's chill music muna tayo. Alright. Here we go. Rowena Villa, good evening. Ishi Marimat, good evening din. Mga pangtol natin na mga viewers. Nga pala, if ever meron kayong gustong ipa-chart, let's do charting today, right? Let's do charting. And I have good news for you. Si Kapayamang Arnel is going to be available this Friday. So, yung mga mag-IPO dyan, if you're planning to buy the IPOs, check out the episode this Friday. Kapayamang Arnel is going to be joining us for more fundamentals, in-depth fundamentals of the coming IPOs, right? Nakita niyo naman yun noon, yung in-depth natin noon, and hopefully you've learned a lot about it. And ngayon naman, we're gonna be talking about, this Friday naman, right? We're gonna be talking about fundamentals, mga mag-IPO na naman. Andyan sila, Villar, sila Manny Villar, mag-IPO ng market nila. Forgot the name of the market. It's the tip of my tongue once again. But anyways, ayan. So, Benedict. And si Benedict, magandang gabi. Good evening to you, Benedict. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. G-Boy Tads, good evening, sir. Bo Prieto, good evening. Arnel Jacinto, good evening. Again, Arnel, thank you for the stars, man. Artsy Gams. Good evening, sir, from CDO, mga kagayan dyan. Magandang gabi. Ishi Marimat is asking about LabU and AMD and International. Sa International naman yan. Tapos sa MRC and Fruit for Local. Let me just write these down. Isayin natin yung mga charting natin mamaya. Yun, all day ang pangalan ng Mart. Right? Alright, Mil Sereño, kamusta? Marhay Nabangi. Alright, Gillier Villaflor, all day, Sir Lloyd. All day, every day. APL for Jessica Nang. Meron siyang request dito for APL. Alright, our topic for today is, I only picked bits and pieces kasi for the topic. Isa sa mga nakita ko ngayon was SLP, right? You know, I am involved in the gaming sector. Right? Meron kaming live kanina. There was a tournament. And habang naghahanda kami sa tournament, yung mga co-casters ko were playing on their phones and playing Axie. It's still very strong right now. Marami pa rin naglalaro na Axie. So why not, di ba? And then they were talking about the SLP and then asked me, what do you think about the SLP? Kasi alam nila marunong ako mag-charting. So I told them, let me open SLP USDT. And lo and behold, ay hinihintay ko na signal kay SLP. Kasi nag-uusap sila kanina na ibebenta niya na yung naipon yung SLP kasi he needed the money. SLP, USDT, alright. And, no, wait. US, wrong spelling. Right, USDT. It should load now. And so it's the SLP right now. So they asked me, I told them, let me do the charting. And lo and behold, we have divergence, my friends. So most probably, we are looking at a support already for SLP. And that's not a bad price. It's a good start. Dati sa 6 pesos nagsisimula. Yung finisher natin na kaibigan ko dati started Axie at 6 pesos. Right now, we are at 7 pesos. So it's very cheap right now to buy SLPs. If you don't want to play the game, gusto niyo yung diretso na SLP, I would say yes, this is a good buy right here if this ends the day on a green. Right? Maganda po yung entry na yan. Pwede na itong simulan bodegahin. This is, sa mga gusto magsimula kay Axie and wanna try it out, why not? This is a good start to try out Axie. Right? Axie Infinity. And, speaking of Axie, naalala ko lang tuloy. I guess BIR is looking for a way since they already know, may narinig na sila kasi ang dami kasi nagha-hype sa Axie na ganito yung kitaan nila. Right, I created a post about it earlier. Si Axie Infinity, nakita na ni BIR and Axie Infinity earnings is subject to tax by Department of Finance. Actually, lahat naman talaga ng if you want to read more about this, punta kayo sa Facebook page ko. Marami kayong matututunan dito. Financial Freedom 101. This is my first personal page aside from StocksEd. Sa StocksEd tayo nagla-live. Kung gusto nyo po, I have a complete webinar dito for starters ng stock market. Okay? So, tingnan nyo po yan, Financial Freedom 101. Watch this video. You're gonna learn a lot if magsisimula pa lang kayo. And then here's the post right here. The link is also there kung gusto nyo po mabasa ito. Axie Infinity, subject for tax, sabi ni Department of Finance. It's gonna be very challenging though because decentralized nga siya, right? Hindi siya magagalaw basta-basta ng Hindi siya magagalaw basta-basta ng government natin since it's in a in a decentralized, what do you call this, universe. May sariling universe kasi sa crypto talaga right? It's in a decentralized system. Let's just use that term, decentralized system. So it's gonna be very interesting how BIR, Department of Finance will track this. Ang sinabi lang dito is they will require registration sa mga nag-Axie. And good luck na lang sa mga, hopefully may mga honest na Axie players dyan na magre-register to be taxed. I'm not sure if that's possible. Yun nga that's the reality of it. And medyo mahirap talaga because eto, let's say for example, Forex. Maraming kumikita sa atin sa Forex, sa trading, sa eToro, blah, blah, blah. The honest to goodness is, hindi tayo natatax. Those are subject for tax, pero hindi tayo natatax because it's really hard to trace this. Right? Medyo mahirap talaga i-trace ito. So, this is gonna be very interesting. Axie Infinity. Paano nila itatax yan and iti-trace yan. Anyways, let's go back. Let's go back to charting. And ayan po. Uy, kumukulog dito sa amin. Lakas ng kulog. Lakas ng ulan dito sa amin ngayon. Sa inyo ba umuulan? Anyways, that's for SLP. So for those who are interested to join to start Axie, this is a good start habang mababa pa siya. Yung mga kaibigan ko kanina, I told them na actually this is the time not to sell your SLPs because this is actually the time to buy. Why are you going to sell SLP when buying signals are already shining? Noon sana na sell signals doon yung binenta, di ba? Ngayon, Bisignan, sabi ko nga sa kanila, if you have extra funds right there, I would even recommend for you guys to buy more SLP. Buy the SLPs of the people right now, yung mga nagbebenta. Bilhin nyo. Pero we are at the point na technical analysis tayo. What RSI is telling us is that yung presyo is pababa. Yes, the bottoms are going down. But RSI is starting to go up. That means na the selling right here is lesser than the selling on the previous bottom. And that's a good signal. Kahit na mas mababa ang presyo, people are not, there are less people selling it already. And nagsisimula ng magka-momentum ang buying for SLB. And that's a bullish signal. I would say that's a buy right there. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, if you have extra funds, just buy SLPs of your friends, etc. Sa mga gusto mong benta talaga. Yung mga tao na ito na yung kabuhayan nila, na ito na yung trabaho nila, kailangan nila yung pera, wala silang choice. So, they will be selling and selling. So, that's a great opportunity. So, Axie, mga wannabe Axies dyan, or not really wannabe, or yung mga gustong Axie, hoping for entry for Axie, I promised you guys that I will tell you when is the best time to start. There it is. Right. Let me go to the comments really quick bago tayo mag-charting. Right, Dennis Mundo, good evening, sir. Please check tech. I'm gonna write these down para hindi natin makalimutan. Sir, pasilip si Converge all-time high na naman si Converge, but then again, it is already very risky there at the top. That's not the right time to get in, pero titignan pa rin natin yan. Jaylene Agpalasin is asking about LHC and Matic USDT. We'll check these out later. Ran Tabilas, baliktad si SLP, no? Kung kailan si crypto, sila Bitcoin nag all-time high. Congratulations nga pala sa mga pumasok kina Bitcoin, kina Ethereum, and another all-time high level. I mean, not all-time high, 52-week high level for Bitcoin. I did tell you guys when was the best entry. There's the support right there. And another entry was on the breakout right there. And voila, that would have been a good gain for you guys. Ako, bumili kami ng Ethereum para sa namin. But at the same time, we are earning pa rin since everything is going up. Pero tingnan nyo po, si BTC USDT, SLP USDT, pababa naman, baliktad siya, di ba? Because this is the beauty of this new crypto, yung NFTs. Iba yung purpose niya kaysa crypto kasi. So, iba yung pattern niya, right? So, at the very least right now, there is diversification already in crypto. And I love that, right? Kasi ngayon, wala kang magagawa. Lahat ng mga crypto, even the altcoins are already going up. Cardano on an all-time high. Crypto, sila Bitcoin all-time. Ano pa bibilin mo doon? Nasa taas na. Magpapahype na naman kayo sa taas. Wag, di ba? Eto, nasa baba. This is how you trade. Di ba? Ada Cardano is being asked by Roel Gonzalez. So yeah, dadaanan natin yan lahat mamaya. I guess I'm done with the topic. Napakadaldal ko, no? One moment. Sakit na nilalamunan ko. Kasi nagka-cast ako kanina. So, I was shoutcasting. So, medyo masakit na talaga lalamunan ko before I went to live. Alright. Okay. Let's go to charting. Charting tayo. May mga naunang requests, so I'm gonna go through this. Mga good evening dyan sa mga nanonood sa atin through Facebook Live. Right. We have 29 viewers in YouTube. Yan. Sila Ryan is also asking for Mara and Coin na Netmail. Good evening po. I'm planning to buy AC 690. Tama po ba? KSM QCOM, GS, GCA, Gold Tilray, and Cara po. Alright, we'll check these out in a bit. Dadaanan natin po ang mga yan. Alright, I'm gonna go first with Facebook Live. And meron dito, request nila Ishi kanina, Labu. Ayan. Direction Daily, S&P Biotech Bull, 3 times share. Alright, so purely technical analysis. I'm not really familiar with this company, but so far, sideways trend. So we have a good support right here. We have a strong resistance right here. What you can do is medyo bearish yung pinapakita niya. Engulfing rin naman kaagad. So I guess this is good. It should create a support anytime soon. If once it confirms the support, pwede nyo i-range trade ito. Right? Buy the support, sell on the resistance. And sell some kasi baka mag-breakout. If the company is doing well, I'm not really sure with the fundamentals of this company. If the company is doing well, there's a high chance that this will break out. So, hopefully mag-break out yan. Anyways, next is AMD. One of my favorite companies na inintay ko bumagsak. Nasdaq 100 is dropping right now, so antay abang-abang lang tayo. No signals just yet, just broke MA20. Dalawang green tayo. But still overall is still on a downtrend. So it's not yet a buy for me, for AMD. Yun yung sinabi ko sa inyo, di ba? I've been following Nasdaq for how many days now? Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako gumagalaw sa Nasdaq 100 since we're seeing bearish signals, and there it is. Nag-bearish na nga talaga sa Nasdaq. AMD is one of the big Nasdaq companies out there. Sakit, teka lang ha. One moment. Aray ko! Pimple pala yung kinamot ko. Sakit. Sakit. Ano yung parang inuubos yung lakas niya sa isang part na masakit. Nakamot ko yung pimple ko sa likod. Anyways, turn off no? Anyways. Sakit. Grabe. MRC and fruit sa local. MRC and fruit. Yan, okay na. Right, MRC. That's a buy right there. We've been talking about MRC. Sabi ko sa inyo, bilhin nyo na yan. Okay na yan. MRC is still a buy for me. Fruit. Alright, fruit is also a buy. That's divergence, bullish signals right there. That's a buy right there. You are looking at a very good support right here at 1.14. Right, that's your major support. And below that ang cut loss nyo. But this is a buy, definitely. Good find right here. This is from Ishii, right? Good find, Ishii. Getting better on your trades. I love those trades. Ayan. APL. Boom! After telling you guys na buy na si APL, right, di ba ang verdict natin last week dito, bilhin nyo na yan. Ang ganda ng support. If you wanna trade this, that's the best buy for you guys. And it's already reaching support. Right now, it's already too late for the buy. Fibonacci na nilang to. Abangan nyo pa yung trace back. Wala pa naman tayong pula kasi. So, hindi pa natin mafi-Fibonacci ito ngayon. It's already too late because it's too late to apologize. Resistance na tayo. It's very risky at that point. I think this is still gonna break out in the future, pero ang pinakamagandang entry talaga nito is now, even if this breaks out, don't like these kinds of breakouts kasi. But yeah, this might break out. You can go aggressive, but I don't want to go aggressive in this kind of market. Mas maganda, pull back na lang and then bounce. Manipis pa naman ang market, hindi pa naman bullish yung market. So no need to go aggressive. Let it pull back and bounce. That's the best entry right there. I think pinaka low risk yan. Next kay Apple is tech. Dapat pinasok nyo na yan kanina. Last week pa lang, sinabi na natin na buy na yon. Tech, right? This was a buy signal for tech already. Divergence right there. The next green of tech is a buy again. So, buy on the next green. That's for tech. Converge naman, CNVRG. Okay lang ba yung background music? Hindi ba natatakpan yung boses ko? Hopefully not. Hinaan ko lang yung headphones ko para hindi ako sumigaw. Converge, breakout, 52-week high, but no buy zone. RSI is not a buy area talaga na. So it's very risky. Wala naman pong forever. Don't worry. You will have your time para makapasok po dito. Right? Buy the dips. Mamaya na tayo. Wala pa naman dip siya. So it's really hard to trade this. Pag mahirap i-trade, wag niyo na lang pilitin. There are always opportunities. Wag kayong mainggit sa iba. Wag niyong sisihin sarili niyo. Sana binili ko na lang yung support, etc. Because that's just gonna be affecting your future trades. Don't worry about these trades. If ever naiwan na kayo, then okay, right? Look for different positions. There are a lot of positions available in the market. Okay? Converge, we're done with that. ALHC. Let's check out ALHC. Shout out to Alison Bores. Hindi yun. Yun yung iba yung napindot ko na sound effects ng what? Para sa shoutout. Shoutout to Alison Bores. That was from Mark Josen Valencia. Oh, wait. Anyways, ALHC starting to reach all-time high levels. No, not my kind of trade once again. Pull back and bounce at the very least. Yun yung pinakamagandang entry sa inyo guys, right? Ito na yung pullback, ito na yung bounce niya on the uptrend right there. That was the best entry points. I hope you have followed trend lines already. Ganda ng trend line right there. What's sitting on the trend line? And if pinasok nyo na yung trend line, you would have been able to ride this one out for LHC. Next naman po kay LHC is Matic USDT. Matic USDT. Alright, crypto naman tayo. Let's peekaboo a little bit on crypto. So Polygon, kind of bearish for me already. Pataas yung presyo, but RSI's technically, kahit na walang divergence, we are at the no buy zones RSIs. No need to buy at these levels because these are sell levels. Right? Nakita niyo po, may mga nagbebenta na dyan. So, don't love the position anymore. Sa next dip na lang tayo for Matic USDT. It's already way up there. Ran Tabilas, good day sir. BTC nasa taas din. BTC USDT. BTC USD. Now, MA20, what was the best bounce right there? Hanggang MA20. As long as MA20 holds, that's still an uptrend. MA20 is your best bet if ever gusto nyo pupasukin talaga yung is mga uptrends, right? This is the reason why I use Bollinger Bands. This is the reason why I use MA20. This orange line right here is MA20. I usually use that as my support, especially for consolidations like that. Right? MA20 is your best trend. As long as MA20 holds, the trend is still there. If you wanna test it out, I don't like testing this out since nakalipad na ito. Kasi yung trades ko, dito nga, diba? Dito ko sinabi sa inyong bilhin yan. This is already way up there. Pero if you still wanna test this out, MA20 is your safest bet talaga. Right? So, if it goes below that, then wala na. Tapos na yung trend niya. So, but it's a no-buy zone for me anymore for si Bitcoin. So, konting ingat na. Not really sure. Forgot the name once again kasi Chinese yung pangalan nyo. Pero yeah, you're asking about Sir Lloyd, DNL po. And salamat po sa analysis dati kay LHC. You're welcome. Are you winning in your LHC already? Congratulations, man. Congratulations, man. Right, LHC. It's a big win already for LHC. So, meron tayo dito pa nga di ba? We talked about LHC dito. It did show us buy signals right here. Yung divergence natin dito. Galing. So, congratulations. Anyways, that's done. Huwag na kayo maingit sa LHC kasi nakalipad na. DNL. Right, DNL is reaching resistance. Primary resistance, secondary resistance. So, next stage na lang talaga dito is breakout na lang since shadow mataas na si DNL. Right there. Ganda ng breakout dito. This is a triangle pattern right here. That breakout right there is your entry point sana. But for now, it's already too late. We are reaching resistance levels. So, abangan nyo lang po ang breakout ni DNL before you wanna get in. Right? Ruby Gores. Sir, good evening po. Please check Euro USD. Tingnan natin. Overall trend lang ha. Right, speaking of Euro USD, papakita ko sa inyo ang results ni Izanagi. Oh! Overall, looking good. Looking good. Right? We are at support levels kay Euro USD. So, yeah, overall, mukhang magre-reversal to dito. Baka mag-reversal. I can't be sure. Pero baka mag-reversal lang. So, this most probably will be a reversal spot for Euro USD. But day trade po kasi strategy dito. So, hopefully you know how to day trade. Speaking of day trade, Izanagi. Alright, bumaba ang... this is high risk trading for you guys ha. Ito yung makikita ninyo. Right, in one day, galing 98% yung portfolio niya. Bumagsak to 27%. That's crazy. From 98% down to 27%. But because marami siyang trades, recovery trades in 1, 2, 3 days and after closing, it's now at 117% gain. That's crazy numbers. This is from January 18 to August 18 and these are verified records for my FX book, right, for Izanagi. Okay? So, crazy numbers right there. So, hopefully, mag-join kayo. If ever you want to diversify into Forex, there is a much better way to diversify. Why not try automated trading na, di ba? Automated trading kung saan bot po yung nagtitrade para sa atin. All you need to do is really, pinakatrabaho nyo lang dito is the setup, creating a broker account, and then, creating a broker account, and then, add funds. And, once that's set up, iwan nyo na lang. Set up nyo lang yung parang risk appetite ninyo, settings niya. But look at that. From January to August 18, 19, 20, this is August 23, right? Just 8 months after, your capital would have grown 112. This is not would have. This is a live account. Real account po ito, ginagamit namin for trading. dito. Kay sa account na ito. Hindi lang namin pinpublic yung amount. Ayan namin pakita magkano linagay namin dito, but we've already doubled our investment here. Yun lang. You have to understand the risks involved. Nakita niyo to? Bumagsak yung equity growth niya 98% to 27%. That's 70% drop in a day. Ganun siya ka high risk. Right? For it to recover, and overall the trades did recover and it closed at 117. So ang ganda na recovery trades niya. Ganda na numbers, but then again, previous results do not mean ito rin yung future results. Future results can vary, pwede pa nga itong negative. So you have to understand the risks involved. Andyan po sa video description, meron po link about Izanagi na trading bot. Hopefully, you join that. This bot is for free. Walang bayad itong bot na ito. So, it's up to you. If you wanna risk, if you have money to risk right there and try this out, we definitely did test it out for you already. So, secondary testing lang yun sa inyo. But yeah, I will not share this to you if ever hindi maganda ang takbo niya. Right? So, check out Izanagi. It's for free. Yung monthly BPS lang ang babayaran nito. Basically, yung computer na magte-trade para sa inyo. Right? Negative 90 USD drawdown last Friday plus 21 USD up ngayon sa micro account, sir. This is from Gboy Tads. Grabe, no? So, nag-negative 90 US dollars si Gboy last Friday. Pero up na siya ngayon ng 21 USD sa micro account niya. Grabe. That's high risk trading for you guys. So yeah. Pero overall, galing. This is automated yung bot ang nagte-trade dito. So it's gonna be a roller coaster ride, especially yun nga, high risk, high reward. This is considered high reward investment for you guys. Galing. Alright, galing. Siguro sakit sa dibdib niyo tingnan Gboy na nag-negative 90 yung account niyo, di ba? Pero overall, it ended up with positive pa rin. So that's great right there, right? So check out Izanagi and dyan din po yung registration on the video description. So please do test it out. Alright, let's continue. ADA Cardano, sir. ADA USD T. Right, all-time high levels, right, for ADA Cardano. Yes, all-time high levels for ADA Cardano. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay ADA. Dito yung sinabi ko sa inyo dito. And a breakout dito. And nag-pullback pa nga, nag-bounce sa support na yan dito. And it's already all-time high levels. Do not enter anymore. Sabihin ko sa inyo in the future kung meron na mga entries. But for now, no. Please no. No. Kung gusto nyo makatulog. Right? So, Naitsirk o de Hoka Oy Radus. Bakit nyo binibaliktad yung pangalan nyo? Christian Ako Edo Sudario is asking about dito. Yung mga nagbabaliktad ng mga pangalan, yun yung mga ayaw ma-search sa Facebook di ba? Siguro most probably, yun yung mga taong maraming sinaktan. Ayaw na mahanap ng mga ex nila. May maraming ginost. O kaya, may maraming ginost na utang. Depende na yan. Well, biro lang. Ba't nyo pa kasi binabaliktad? Right? Ito guys a little tip muna tayo about making money. Facebook, yes, in all is social media. It's fun and everything. Pero, if you have an entrepreneur mindset, right? If you know how to use Facebook, I mean, really use Facebook financially. Ganito lang kasi yan. When it comes to financial side sa Facebook, dalawang side ang mga tao, right? There is mga ginagamit ng Facebook, being used by Facebook so that Facebook can earn. And there are people who are using Facebook so that they can earn. Which are you? If you have an entrepreneur mindset, huwag nyo nang baliktarin yung pangalan nyo. Start creating your network. And in Facebook, because sobrang lakas ng network sa Facebook, start earning, man. Right? Diba? Again, who are you in Facebook? Are you those people na ginagamit ng Facebook? Or are you on the side who uses Facebook? Right? Food for thought for this evening. Anyways, let's go for Dito. We did say that buy na dito si Dito on this bounce right here and starting to look well. It's still I guess overall still a buy. You just buy it there, then buy some more for dito. That's the good strategy for dito right now. IMI po. Make request about IMI. Sabi ni Christian, show this life eh. Anyways, IMI has a good position right here. That's a buy right there, ladies and gents. I've been teaching you about my technical analysis ever since. This was a buy signal right there. Right, that's a bullish divergence and that should have been a buy. I would still say it's a buy. Mas magandang pullback and bounce. Mas sulit yan, pero it's already a buy for me for IMI. Jepoy, gagaring. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Nakapanood ulit sa wakas. 35% on Ethereum, 25% and 11% nasa Ethereum, sir. Alright, Jepoy, congratulations, man. Simulan nyo na ibenta yung iba ha, because crypto right now is somehow showing bearish signals for me. So at least man lang take profits. Huwag kayong mag-greedy, right? Unless you're using Ethereum for something else. But if you're trading, 35% man is already good. Take some profits. Enjoy your profits, man. Kasi sayang naman, mawala pa, di ba? Alright, sir. Good evening, sir. Pasilip po, nakabili ka bounce sa price na 166 dip. This is from Franz Cabillas. Pasilip, nakabili po ako sa bounce price 116 dip. Salamat po sa mga charting every night. Lumalaki na ang port ko. Sana makuha mo yung target mo na maka target mo na $500,000 sa 2022. Alright! Woo! That's music to my ears, man. Whenever I see that people are starting to do better in their portfolio because of the program, because of our daily charting, I mean, that's the purpose of the lives, di ba? To make you better in trading. And yeah, that's music to my ears. I'm really happy you're getting better. Your portfolio is getting better, di ba? And that's my kind of trading. That's what I'm really trying to impart to you guys. If you want to know more about how I trade, right? If you want to know more about how I trade, andyan po, ayan. Patreon.com/elbazaar. You can donate to me. Those who are gonna be donating, makita nyo po dyan, yung medyo malaki na donate is gonna get free access to my trading seminar talaga, yung trading masterclass ko. If you wanna know more step by step yung how I trade talaga, check out patreon.com. At the same time, you're supporting me, di ba? If ever you wanna do that. Hopefully, you wanna do that and support me too. Anyways, yan. Asa naman yung comment na yun? Natabunan eh. So, thank you so much, Franz, for making me feel good today. Right? Your ports are getting bigger. That's already a win for me. That's our purpose right there. Rosario, Rosal, GT Cap and MMRC. Green nga po, sir. Alright, let's check out GT Cap. GT Cap. Alright, GT Cap. Mukhang okay. Mukhang okay. Next green for GT Cap. There's a solid support right here that's been holding for how many days? Test that support out. That's the dip of GT Cap right there. Major support right here for GT Cap. So yeah, next green kay GT Cap is a buy. Good find. Galing. This is for Rosal. MRC. We covered MRC already. Right? Yeah, that's a buy for me still. MRC. Asa na tayo? Green. Time check, it's 8:35. Green did a breakout. Walang ganong volume, so I will want to wait for a pullback and bounce lang instead. Don't really trust these kinds of breakouts na walang volume na kasama. But though, I did tell you to buy green already dito pa lang. So, we were seeing this divergence already right here for green. So, you should have been winning kay green before pa. Right now, best to wait for a pullback and bounce before you wanna enter green. That's for Rosario Rosal. Gigi Meares, good evening. G-Boy Tads, ito yon. Grabe ang drawdown ni Izanagi. Walang ka ba kay Izanagi? Love Izanagi, sir, from G-Boy Tads. Yeah, man. Galing ng Izanagi. Hopefully, you try Izanagi also, right? Also nga pala, gumawa ako ng isang micro account for Izanagi dito. Right? So, verified account, kaka-fund ko lang. I'm gonna be adding more to this. $400 ang pumasok. 400 lang ba pinasok natin kay Izanagi, Jaya? 400 plus. Dadagdagan ko pa to, Izanagi, because I want this flush 500 to start Izanagi. This is a verified account. Nakikita niyo yung funds ko. Once this starts moving, pakita ko yung if you start today, dapat, right? I'll take you to the journey also, right? Gumawa ako ng isang account for Izanagi na pang-public. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tulad nung ginawa natin for Valkyrie. Si Valkyrie nag-down ng Monday. Last week, pero recovery trades pala ngayon. So, doing good with the recovery. Still up 3.72% overall sa isang buwan na trade niya. That's still not bad. Sayang, naging 8% na yan, 9% na yan noon. Bumagsak lang because of the Afghanistan crisis. Medyo nahirapan yung bot sa trades. But overall, still, again, that's still doing good for me. Check out Valkyrie also na bot. Andyan sa video description for the registration and the video. Sir, micro account for Izanagi or standard kay XM? Micro account ba for Izanagi? Standard. Micro, di ba? Micro account for Izanagi. Micro for Izanagi. Yes. Good evening, Mr. Lord. This is from Jojo, watching from Singapore and shared your live stream. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing. Nga pala, please share this video. Paki-share po. Anyways, asa na tayo? Congratulations, G-Boy Tad, sa Izanagi gains mo, ha? Right, Asen. Let's check out Asen. Boom, shakala. MA20 bounce. And it's already started to go up. MA20 is the best entry right now since medyo risky na tong trade na to. So if you can enter near MA20, at the very least, yung support nyo, ikakat loss nyo lang below that. That's gonna be best entry point. I will not recommend this trade anymore since nasa taas na po yan. What I love to trade is itong mga position na ito na nasa baba pa. Right? Jerome, on say APL, sir, pwede pa silip. Nasilip na natin kanina sa APL, so I'm just gonna run through it fast. Wait for the pullback and bounce. Gamitin nyo lang muna si Fibonacci for the next pullback or breakout. I don't love breakouts right now kasi sa market na ito. So, mas maganda if ever mag-pullback lang talaga. APL, tapos na APL. Thank you, sir, from Ruby. Gores, you're welcome. Tama, show-based live, sabi ni Christian. Blake, Tulipas, good sir. Musta na po si LRW? Kamusta natin si LRW? Alright, LRW. Right? Buy levels for RSI. No engulfing patterns right here. So, medyo... I'm still not a fan of LRW's position right now, man. I need more data. Wala tayong divergence or anything talaga. So, I can't say for sure for LRW so far, right? Medyo may head and shoulder pattern but it's not really that strong. And with this kind of market, tingnan lang natin. I'm not calling LRW for a buy for now. Alfredo Kiso, good evening. Thank you for sharing and learning more. You're welcome, Rosario. You're welcome. Aldos, good day, sir. Maganda pa din po ba habulin si XRP, ADA, FTM, Luna, Matic, ano? No! Diba, if you've been a follower of mine, I've already told you kung kailan hindi pwede pasukin, wag pasukin. Kung kailan pwedeng pasukin, saka nyo pasukin. And we've been right from that point or from those points. Right now, I'm not saying it's goodbye. Right? The trend is not that strong compared to before. So, I cannot say na pwede nyo habulin. Wag po, kasi naiingit na lang kayo ngayon. Wag na. Right? It's already too late. Let it be a lesson na lang. Susunod, pag may buy signals, doon ka bibili. Wag ngayon na nagliliparan na sa kanyo papasukin. Right? I'll go to YouTube lang muna, guys. I'll stop with Aldos lang muna and then go to YouTube kasi may comments tayo sa YouTube. I wanna read this out also. Ryan T will want to check out Mara. Si Mara ba crypto? No, marathon patent. Alright, MA20 bounce, that's the best entry right there. Medyo naiiwan na tayo. This is why I love MA20s, man. MA20s definitely yung entries natin. This did break out right there with good volume. And these are the breakouts that I love, right? Breakouts na may volume, diba? And look at that. When it pulled back, you know that breakouts tend to become the support. MA20 pa, timing na timing. Those are the best entries right there. That's your trade. Ngayon, nakalipad na yan, malapit na sa resistance. Naiwan ka na yan, let it go. Right? Coin naman, Coinbase. Let's check out Coinbase. Right, bounce after... not a fan of the bounce for now. It bounced below MA20. So I can't really say for sure, pero overall, mura pa naman siya eh. Mura pa naman siya overall. Pwede nyo pong gawin is buy this one, buy some, and then buy some more on the major support just in case it goes further down. Pwede pong ganun. Kasi With the market, since mura pa naman si Coinbase and with how crypto is going right now, this might go up, man. So yeah, I would say Coinbase. That's a buy right there. Nanette Mail, good evening. I'm planning to buy AC 690. Let's check it out. Tama po ba? 690, yes. The best entry is 690. Major support right there. Pero Nanette, the best strategy right now for this is kung antayin mo pa sa 690 yan, baka hindi ka matamaan. So, whenever it dips and starts bouncing, pag may nakita yung bounce dito, you buy some already. I believe Nanette, yes, Nanette has already joined me in my seminar. Yung test buys na lesson ko, right? You apply it here. You buy some here. If it goes further down sa pinaka-target mo, and this is your main trade system, this is where you buy a big chunk, right? Test buy lang dito just in case na hindi na umabot sa 690. Baka maiwan ka na yun, diba? So that's a good strategy right there. Rico Diaz, thoughts on TSM? Si TSM hindi nakapasok sa Worlds. If you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, sa mga gamers dyan, most probably alam nila. But, TSM, supports, man. Pero mas malalim yung support natin ngayon sa RSI. So, the previous supports are better than the current support. This is kind of bearish. So, I will want to wait for more. Most probably, TSM might go down. So, I can't say buy this one for now. But if mag-stabilize dyan, then go ahead. You can do sideways trend trade. QCOM. Jao Karanda, galing nito. Free advice sa lahat. Walang bayad. I see the sincere day. I support you, man. Thank you so much, Jao. Alright, anyways. QCOM tayo. QCOM. Possible support for QCOM is around this area na kasi. For now, yeah, this can be an engulfing pattern, but the signals are too vague. Whenever it happens, I don't like to trade those. Also, I don't want to trade that one. Jaco07, good evening, sir. Lloyd, Gold, Tilray, and Cara po. Gold, Tilray, and Cara. Gold. No, not there. Let's go for Pro Charts. Dito natin tignan. Right, so gold. Meron tayong solid na resistance dito at around, not really sure what price this is. Around 1,800. So, 1,820? Alright, 1,830. Lakas ng resistance dito, pre. So, you're in between support and resistance right now. Gold is on a sideways trend. So, can't really say. We did say na ito yung support ni gold talaga. It did go up after that. So, hopefully nahuli niyo dun sa support niya. But for now, we're in between support and resistance. Not worth it yung risk to reward ratio natin, so I cannot recommend this one. Nico Managa, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Let's get rich together. Ingat po tayong lahat. Yeah, man. Coach, which is better, Izanagi or Valkyrie? It depends on the purpose of your funds. If ever this is extra funds na kaya nyo po ilagay sa high risk na trade, Izanagi is better in terms of earnings talaga. If ever this is funds na medyo malapit sa puso mo, yung masakit kung mawala, di ba? May funds tayo na masakit mawala. Yung funds na pambili nyo lang ng kain, ganito, ganyan. Those are funds na okay lang sa inyo mawala. Pero funds na, let's say for example, pambili nyo ng bahay, ganito, ganyan, in the future. So that's important funds. Put it on a lesser risk na investment. I would say Valkyrie is for that. So it all depends on you. Ian Cesar Villarreal, Sir CPG at Mac, thanks. Let's check out CPG at Mac. Time check, it's 8:46. Bilisan ko ha, kasi ang daming comments. Ang dami natin viewers ngayon. We have around 30 sa YouTube. We have around 70 sa Facebook. So around 100. Thanks so much for watching. Alright, CPG. Woo! Ganda ng head and shoulder pattern dito. These are buy areas right here. Pero pinakitaan pa tayo ng magandang divergence dito. So these were the buy areas for CPG. This is the buy area. Medyo nakalipad na si CPG. Sa susunod na pullback and bounce na lang. Since medyo naipag-iwanan na tayo ni CPG. Good find right here. Going forward. Nico Managa, you're welcome, man. You're welcome. Asan na ako? Ayun. Artsy Gams. VET, si VET USDT. Please, let's check out VET USDT. VET USDT. I'm not really familiar with this crypto, but bearish signals, so red flags tayo for VET USDT. It's already way up there. Again, crypto, these are the best entries. Breakout entries. Ngayon, medyo bearish na, so it's not good time to get in. Can we see Jojo? Ayun, nabasa na natin to. Joey Carpio, Laser. Let's check out Laser. Right. Downtrend pa, man. Kahit na may support dito. Sakit pa ang downtrend. So, stay away from Laser for now. Abangan lang natin in the future. Just ask me this again if ever may makita kayong baka reversal na. So, let me know. Piolo Cortez, Micro for Izanagi, PTR, EU at Coin po. Nabasa na natin si Coin. Si Palantir, wala pa. PLTR. Palantir. Ooh. Breakout for Palantir was successful right there. Grabe. Best entry point for Palantir, the support right here. Meron tayong mga resistance, so medyo it's too late to apologize. Reverse head and shoulder pattern, that was the best entry for Palantir right there. Sana. So medyo napag-iwanan na tayo for Palantir. U naman, I'm not sure what U. Unity Software? Yan, Unity Software. I believe so. Nasdaq. MA20, previous resistance, bounce, boom, buy. There it is. And then cut loss lang below that. I love this trade because hindi ko naman sinasabi na aakyat yan. Pero kasi it's a support, there's a high chance that it will go up. And also, I love this because just in case na mali tayo, maliit lang yung risk natin. Maliit lang yung losses for when you need to cut your losses. Okay? So that's why I love that trade. Good find right here for you. RLC from Jiboy Tads. Let's check out RLC. RLC. Ito, breakout. Sabi ko sa inyo, I don't like breakouts na walang volume. So, mas maganda ang pullback. And then bounce. MA20. Napupullback siya ngayon. Alam nyo saan pupulutin. Use MA20 as your support. Abangan nyo sa MA20 si RLC. GMA7. GMA7. Reversal na ba? All-time high levels kasi tayo kay GMA7 eh. So, don't like the positions right now. Right? Medyo mataas, may kamahalan sa GMA7. It can still go up, especially na mag-e-election na next year. Tiba-tiba sa earnings to si GMA7. Ngayon nawala si ABS-CBN. So, it might still go up. So, abangan nyo lang po sa breakout sa GMA7. Alright, so moving forward, Nancy, that was from Nancy Catilo. You're welcome. My Gabidia, Sir Lord, is from J. Chanelli Lim. J. Chanelli Lim. Ganda ng name mo J. Chanelli Lim. Alright, salamat sa live stream. You're welcome. Juliet Marie Flor, good PM, sir. How about gold? We covered gold already. Art C. Gums, thank you, Sir Lloyd. God bless. Happy to help, man. Alright, we were able to burn through all the requests. Once again, this Friday po. Ayan, kasama natin si Kapayamang Arnel for the fundamentals of the coming IPOs. Para at least may more data kayo, more knowledge to help you decide if ever bibilin ba natin, maganda ba bumili ng mga IPOs na coming, right? Marami tayong IPOs na coming kasi. So, we'll talk more about those. Hindi ko ma-specify lahat. Hindi ko na-follow lahat ng mga IPOs kasi na lalabas. So, abangan nyo po, Friday, Kapayamang Earners can be available. So, that's gonna be a very good episode. Bukas, we'll talk more about the market. SLP today is a buy for me. So, sa mga gusto magsimula sa Axie dyan, this is a very healthy time to buy. Huwag kayong magsimula kung nasa taas ang SLP, right? Habang nasa baba pa, this is the best time to start, right? That's gonna be it for me this evening. Reminders ko lang sa inyo, Izanagi and Valkyrie bot trading po yan. I consider it as passive income, right? I seldom say na may magandang passive income, but I did try this for the sake of everyone, mga followers ko. Sinubukan ko muna yung bot trading since this is starting to become the trend, right? We are open to the future kasi, diba? So yeah, bot trading is looking good. Hopefully you try it also since I tried it for you guys and it's good. Test it out nyo po si Izanagi and Valkyrie and dyan sa video description yung videos if you want to learn more about it before starting, and yung registration is also there already should you want to start already. That's it for me. As always, this is Lloyd Bazaar saying let's get rich together. See you tomorrow. Bye everyone.